You know what exciting day today it was, because I was not getting excited that I'm traveling to Kerala, the home state. From so many days I'm thinking, oh my god, why I'm not feeling excited, because usually when I'm traveling I like to feel excited about it, but this time, because of the odd timings of the train and it reaches there too early, I have to wake up so early, and still if it reaches on time it's going to be very dark there. All this stuff things which was running in my mind, it kept me. Probably that's the reason that I was not getting excited, but now slowly and gradually I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling kind of excited about it. You have to get excited, right? All the things are you have to get excited. I like it. So now it's okay. I'm getting excited. I'm like, it is a change, and just enjoy it, whatever you're doing. So you are excited about it. You ever miss that I'm not sending you videos? You never ask. You have such a big ego. Oh my god, how big it is, I don't know. I tell you that. So all my morning tasks are over and I'm going to have my bath. I think I should go now, because otherwise I'm going to be delayed by the time I finish everything, drying the clothes and all, and I check the time. It would be 9:45 and I feel guilty about it. I like running on time. So today basically I had nothing special to do, in the sense I don't have anywhere to go or things like that, but then I might go as well. Never know, depending on my mood. Did I tell you yesterday that I'm going to cut my hair this short? I have plans. If you don't like it, you just let me know, okay? So that I won't do it. It'll be this short. I want to try that. Yesterday I saw a woman. You know how I love women who are too smart and in their 40 plus. So this lady must be in her 50s, and she was looking so smart. So all these smart people, where do I meet them? Near Cult Sport, and there are some good gyms if you go there, and good salons there, that side in Sakat Nagar. So if you go there, you meet these kind of women there. So smart they are. I love their personality. I mean, I don't know them as who they are, but appearance wise they really look nice. And so that inspired me, because she had this hair, and I just imagined how it was when I had short hair. So I thought maybe I should just try it. Why am I just growing my hair all the time? And sometimes it's so annoying when you have a lot of hair fall. Now at least it's normal. Still, it's not easy to grow your hair and maintain it. But if you have short hair, you have little problems, right? And the maintenance and managing it is much better. So I'm going to try out. I decided that lady inspired me, motivated me so much by her looks. All the time I meet this kind of women there. I'm sure they're going to the gym and keeping their body so fit. They're so smart. I like smart women. Like Mr. Trump said, smartness is so contagious. You need more and more smart people. Not always smart. I've seen some people who are like, who just pretend to be smart when they don't have it naturally. But these women are not like that. The other day, few months back when I had gone, I saw two women who were like that, and I like them so much. So let's see. After coming back from my native, I'm going to cut my hair short. You think my hair color is not seen these days? I've been checking all the old videos. From last two applications, my burgundy color is not seen. It looks like a lot like black. Something is wrong. Either in the mixing of the color, I don't know what, but it's really looking black. This is not the color which I am buying. It's a different color, but the final result is different. So right now I'm going to the mall. One of my old friends who stayed with me in the old PG, we stayed together for 3 years and more. She called up. If fact, we had not met from so long. She got married in May, the time that I joined this PG. In fact, it was her who suggested this PG because she was staying here before her wedding. So I couldn't attend her wedding that day because I joined this PG on the previous day, and you know I had to shift to the 4th floor, and I was not prepared for that, so I couldn't attend her reception, in fact. And I don't know what she took it like, because we were kind of close, and I never turned up for her reception. So later we never met, and now today she had called up and she said we could meet in the mall. Her husband is not coming now, but so it's really nice. We get along pretty well. It's like there is some soul connection between us. So I'm glad that she decided to meet after a long time. Now maybe one day I can just go to their house. She has a father-in-law and her husband. That's it. All the three of them. They are living just here nearby to this PG. So one day I can go there, and I have not gifted them anything for wedding also. So I could meet her husband as well, father-in-law, and so I've decided like that. So today she called up and I'm just going now. She said 5 o'clock she would be there. So I thought I will go early and just be inside, and by then she will come. Okay. So what are you doing? I have in fact lost a lot of weight. I mean, I've shaped up. I'm so glad. But this one I'm not happy about. My hair color is looking so jet black these days. It's not burgundy, it's looking black. I know why, because I've been mixing that. There are 3 things which are mixed together, and so because of that it's becoming like this. So the next time I color my hair, I will tell her not to mix that, because I want the color. I don't want the black hair. So take care. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay? You take care. Hi there. We will wait near the Domino's shop in the food court. She's still on the way. I hope I'll recognize her, because the last time I saw her in person was in 2020, before the COVID hit, and I was leaving from here to Kerala. Very long time. 2020, 23, 24, right? Almost 4 years now. 3 years, 4 years. So we will wait there. It's so hot, can't tell you outside. No, if you walk, you need to be in the AC for a while, otherwise it's too damn hot. Here near the Domino's, we will take the same chair, high chair. I like these high chairs. Let her come. The food court is khali. There's not much people. She has to park her vehicle, right? It will take a while. Yeah, she is Bindu. I already gave the intro.
Okay.
So that is what I'm saying. When you're too close, like so many things happen which we don't like. So now I've learned to keep a distance, and it's okay. But it's okay. There's not like I don't like anyone there. It's not like that. With everybody, okay.
Yeah. That is better.
That is better even after marriage also, with neighbors. It works the same way, right?
Yeah.
Even for that matter with relatives also. How is office life and your friends? No, your married life.
Married life is good. Few friends are there. My high school friends.
Yeah.
Neighbors only two. Recently we became friends actually. I was scared to get close to them, but like 1-2 months
You mean
back,
the neighbors or
neighbors. They started talking, then we also opened up. Now it's going well.
Yeah, but that also the same policy you have to follow.
I always it will be there.
I know. Whatever is not required, I just follow forward it. So they're also the same problem, and in the sense when you get little close, they keep calling you here and there. And the thing is, people don't realize when you say that you are not coming, or that part they don't understand. Whatever they ask for, you have to do. How will that work, right? Hi, I spoke the other day about Mary Thomas. I said she's so nice, she communicates so well. So she has given us a treat. Thank you very much. You're going? You have your friend? Okay. Yeah. And every day she used to sit there and have lunch in front of me. I never talked to her. She never spoke to me. Then finally yesterday I just asked her because I saw her taking all the luggage. I said, "You're vacating?" She said, "Yes." 3 months we never spoke.
Last year.
I had a reason to ask her because somebody else wanted a room. So I just wanted to confirm that. He said in this PG nobody talks to no one. Nobody opens their mouth. Yeah, I don't like that. Have it full. Huh?
I can't finish.
Then what you do? Take it. Have it. Because if it was plain, I would have had at least one bite. I don't like. Where he got it from? Donuts. So then she told me that nobody talks to nobody here. Nobody opens their mouth. It's not like that sometimes. For me, it's like, how many people can you talk to in a day?
Yeah. Everybody wants friendship, but we are a bit scared.
Yeah.
And we can't
Too much it becomes difficult. Yeah, and you don't know how that person is, no? But this girl is nice. She's from Kengeri.
Bangalore.
Yeah, but she stayed, her father is from Coorg. Yeah. Mother is from Bangalore, that's why.
Actually, yesterday we went to Vaishnavi Mall.
I don't know, where is that?
In the show.
Huh?
Yeshwanthpur, yeah.
Okay.
Planning to take franchise of
Domino's.
Domino's or anything.
You had those plans when in the other
That
PG.
is there. I'm trying, but they are not giving the price.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe they're doing their own outlet. Just now also I asked. I'll get.
No, I'll come. No, two are there, no? I will come. Oh, this one. Okay. Take
So I
one,
asked-
right? You can give me one.
So I asked the Domino's people. They said they're not giving.
Okay.
They'll run their own.
They will?
They'll run their own. I mean, some private limited is there. Under that,
Take one. Small one.
okay, this one. This Subway is there, no?
Yeah.
Subway, Popeye, and 4-5 they have. They're running their.
Okay. Remember when you were in other PG, you told me you wanted to open something.
I always thought, opening the hotel business is actually very risky. This type of food is fine.
In malls, you want to open. Your husband is also.
He's also interested.
What is he doing?
He's finance and real estate.
Yeah.
And
Where
we are
is his
getting
office?
ready. No, in Momo. So, this is your friend.
Huh?
This is your friend.
Oh,
I mean, what you are doing? I'm not understanding.
when?
this video.
I make vlogs.
You
No.
just keep it. Oh, this one.
It's on YouTube.
YouTube.
I have a
But
channel.
voice, what about voice?
Huh?
Voice.
Voice is coming. Yeah, but the thing is, all this background voice will also come.
Yeah.
But it actually,
Better you take one.
mine will come whenever I take, because see, this distance is enough and more. But our distance will not come.
Yeah. And your disturbance is there.
Yeah, but it will come still. I'll send you a link of my video, the latest one, then you'll know.
I've seen actually.
Yeah, it's
but
nice.
Send me this. I'll see.
This now it will come next month.
Okay.
Now today I'm making December 12th. I have that much of backlog.
Oh, okay.
Takes a long time, you know. Not that these videos are done properly, it's not proper. But in future, I can buy a better camera and all the other this one, and I can actually do this, you know, vlogging. I love it so much.
I told my husband we are planning to buy camera and tripod.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
Next time when we go, no, we can vlog.
Yeah.
At least to keep it for ourselves. After
It's
so many
really
years,
nice it is.
Huh.
Really
After
nice, because when I'm doing this, in the beginning you should have seen all my videos, it was horrible. But now with time it has improved so much. Now so many people who have left from the PG, they all are there in my vlogs. The editing takes a long time. See, if the video is for 2 hours all together, you have to bring it at least to 1 hour, no? So you have the entire thing you have to watch. Yeah, again.
Are we so good now?
Good, it's okay. I mean, you can't expect more than this. He's a Bihari, both of them, and they cook North Indian food.
Before South Indian lady was there.
Then I came, two couples came after I shifted.
Okay.
When you were there, one husband and wife were there. They left. 2 more Andhra people came. But then I started getting adapted to their cooking. But then Vinod could not, they had some problems and he got these people. But PG is full all the time. Yeah, full. How is it? How is that?
But I like this.
Yeah. So many people like this. I like this. Because of the health thing. This is 350. Because thin crust and because it's weak.
Which floor? Second floor?
4th floor. Really nice. The view is amazing. But at the same time, you should always have a stepney, like, what if this is not, or else?
So next what's your plan?
Huh?
Next what?
There are some changes in my life now, which I can't disclose now. So, that is a major change in my life. There, you know, while I was staying there, there was some problems with me, but that's why I didn't get the divorce. You remember? Yeah. So now that thing has got disclosed, and the sense the identity of that person who actually was. And that is shocking for me. One would not ever imagine it could be that person.
Okay.
Now, in the sense from Jan or December it starts. So who I was thinking. these things happen actually. When you go virtually, anybody, any number of people can connect. That's why all these video calls you make, it's all shared. That's the best thing. Even last time, exactly. This happens with rare people, in the sense some people, mature people, it happens.
And also we always remember, many times I remember you. That's why it's
Yeah, that connection is, and why we remember is more important. In the sense, when we think of a person, if we remember of some things which actually connects us, it's different, right?
Like Jessie is a different person.
Yeah.
She knows me.
Yeah, I know you so much. That's why I can't believe when you get. I mean, I can believe that you gain weight. I'm not telling that. But the thing is, I can't believe that you don't realize it. Only that escalator takes you to the entrance. All the UG is blocked now. They have not opened, no UG. I come here every alternate day, so it's like my home.
I like Colony Mall than this.
Yeah, there's so many people who likes different malls than this. What do you like about Oreo Mall? I mean, what's the difference?
Clarkson Lake is there. No?
Yeah, lake is there, true.
And also
Space is there.
all the shops are visible. It's in the center. The elevator in the center. Everything you can see.
Yeah, this is kind of
not
confusing.
difficult.
This
Yeah.
is vast.
Two section is there.
Yeah.
One is this one and this side.
And this is too big, no?
Too big.
That's what everybody says. Many people like Galleria Mall. In my PG, they always go to Galleria Mall because they feel
I don't like.
yeah, it's too small.
Yeah, too small.
Yeah.
Nothing is there.
So what they are saying is our purpose of going to a mall is shopping. So there it's easy for them to locate the shops and you don't get confused. Here when you come, it's the too vast things. Confuse people. No. But for me, like when I come here, the thing is either walking or you want to buy something, you know the shops where you want to go. So what difference it makes? See here, this is a supermarket. This escalator will take you to the entrance. There the picture didn't come well, okay. The lighting was not good. We'll take from outside now, fountain, no?
Phoenix and for
I have not been there.
Go to Phoenix. It's good.
Where is Phoenix is same? No, this one only. In the sense marketplace. Where is it? Electronic City.
Whitefield.
Where is Whitefield? We will go to Whitefield.
Forum is in Gorman.
For you it's okay. You have someone to take you everywhere now. For me I have to go alone now.
But I like to go to alone also. Both is fine.
You have two-wheeler. I have to pay and go. Phoenix Mall is same as this. What is the difference? Marketplace mall, no?
That mall is different.
Designing is different. But the same management it is. Because this is also Phoenix Mall of Asia. But near to your house is Galleria Mall, no? So your stop is near police station?
Here we don't have place to sit actually. Only 2, 3.
No, who is sitting when we come here? It's just walking. They are also walking. Yeah, they have not provided it because if you if they provided, everybody are going to sit here. See, Vendu, what was the crowd here these days? I mean, until they brought this rule, it was unmanageable. See, somebody's calling.
Clarity.
Yeah, same. I will send it. This is video.
long.
Who will take our together? I can't take na. Already here.
He was in the beach yesterday. It's okay, no, you will go.
Yeah. Every day I'm going no.
Yeah.
I have to make a call to my daughter. I have set alarm here, otherwise I'll forget.
So now if you, after you go, I'll make a call and go.
No problem. I come every alternate day. You met your friend. Where? My ticket is booked from this time Yeshwanthpur railway station. Time is 6:15. Night dinner and all.
Told I'll come by 8 o'clock. I'll make dinner for you. But I'm going.
Yeah. No. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. I'll come to your house once. I'll say, yeah.